trim panel first, right? So right here, looks like there's a screw hole, but looks like the last person working on this didn't put a screw back. So I don't gotta worry about that one. And then there's another screw up here. Oh, just like that.
Like butter.
So it pops out like that. Bing, bada boom. Disconnect this. To disconnect this, you pull this one out and do that. Disconnect the speakers. Pinch speaker things, pull up. Right here, you gotta push right here on the bottom, and this one will come like that. Whoa. Leave it like that. Alright, so next, gotta pop this loose. Pop this loose. Let's see. Should be good. We gotta pop this side loose. So this is just held on by clips too. So it'll just pop out like that. Alright. So next, let's see. Next, I'm gonna remove this one. Alright, what's next? Gotta remove this one right here. Alright. And then pop these out right here. So this is part of the regulator. See right here? This is where it's fucked up, right? So these wires right here, it's like they move, they bring the window up and down. So it got tangled, so it got caught. So right now, I already know that's the fucking problem. So make sure all of that goes back in, because this thing is all gonna come out in one piece. So we got that, we got that. Next, we gotta remove these big ass bolts right here. And then I think there's one right here, hiding right here. There's gonna be a little hole right here. And then take out the plug. All right. And then inside there's gonna be another screw right there. So we're gonna take all these big bolts out. We're gonna remove these big bolts. So what I'm gonna do is crack them loose. So 1, 2, 3, and there's gonna be 4 right here. Window motor. That. This one press up. one, press that right here. Pull the tab up. There we go. Remove the weather strip. Like that. So you gotta remove these 3 bolts right here to remove the speaker. And then under the speaker, there's gonna be one of these bolts right here. Also gotta remove this one. All right, and then you got one more on this side right here. Remove this one. Holy shit. And that should be good. So right now we got everything disconnected. The only thing that's left is the electric wiring to the mirror. This is power mirrors. So right here, this is all leading from the mirror down, and then it's gonna be through this hole right here. So we gotta unclip all these clips holding it on right here. All right, so I'll pop this out like that. Remember this one right here, green and brown. It goes on the inside. There's 2 plugs. All right. So take this out like so. Like so. So, almost got it, like so, and then like you can rip it. That might be it. Okay. So this, let's see if this comes out. Let's see if we can get this. All right, so. Let's check right here. All right, so right here we got a bunch of wires, right? So it's gonna be difficult pulling this out with all these wires connected. So let's separate them. So like so, and then another one, like so. Easy money. Bam, there you have it. And, make sure it doesn't get caught on anything. Here. Might have to guide the wire through because it gets caught sometimes. But you know. Alright, check it out right here. So this is why my shit's broken, right? So this shit just snapped right here. That's the problem. How the new regulator lines up. You want to check that out? So yeah, this is a little confusing because it like twists and turns, you know, but it only goes on one way, like so. All right. Using the old regulator, we got to remove these 2 bolts. Just like that, and then let's see how this comes out. I have no idea how this comes out. You know, these bolts removed, they just pop out like this. Alright, so my regulator, my regulator wasn't working, so what I gotta do is pull these out and then slide the window down because, you know, so just slide the window down. Moving this. Actually, nah, it's bad. The old regulator is already damaged, right? So we're just gonna break it off because it's stuck. So we're just gonna break it off like that. And same on this side. Just break it off, and then once you got that out, you can remove your glass. Once the glass is removed, there's these 2 bolts right here that you remove. These 2, one, bada bing, bada boom. All right. So installing the new regulator. Make sure everything lines up. How did it go again?
Yeah, that's right.
So this one goes like this. And tight. And this side. What? Branch. So. Alright, that's the only one. Should be good. So it's gonna be like this. Just make sure it lines up. You want to make sure that this faces the inside, like so. Alright. Let's tighten this down. Tighten this one down. Let's see. Oh. Alright, so you've tightened both of them down, and this side will allow you to move it back and forth so you can put your glass back on. Installing the glass, you want to make sure these tabs that hold onto the glass are slid all the way down. So you can just slide your glass in, like so.
Easy money.
Like that. And then you want to bring these back. So these spin, yep. So put this back in. And then make sure it's going in on this side. Yep. So it's in on one side, it's in on the other side. So put it back over like this. Put it back these screws. Bing. Let's see how this goes. How the fuck does this go back? Yeah, so you get the idea. All right, so very important step. So right now we just put back this window frame with the new regulator. Come on this side. So what you want to do before you put back your trim and everything else is you want to make sure the door closes and it seals right here because we took this part out. So let's check it. So as you can see, it's pretty good right now. So it's sealed all the way. Check it out. Opens and closes fine. All right, so we got it back on.
It's because your brightness is there.
Goes up and down, no problem. All right, there you have it.